And we're going to go actually straight to our primetime sports. We start with football. Now, the Jamaica Women's Premier League semi-final first leg meeting between Fraser's Whip and Olympic Gardens at the Captain Horace Burrell Centre of Excellence at UWI Mona did not materialize after the away team did not show up for the contest. Chairperson of the Women's Committee at the Jamaica Football Federation, Elaine Walker-Brown, says it was disappointing for Olympic Gardens not to show.
It's really unfortunate because for me, if you are in the top four, it speaks volume. Whatever the result is, where the game cancelled a few weeks ago, it has to, the rules speak to it because Fraser's has X amount of players that were on national duties. So it's really unfortunate not to see Olympic Gardens here for the semi-final. We have called, the JFF has called, no answer, because anything can happen on the way. So we don't really know what happened. But one other thing that we'll wait and see because we have the rules and regulation that govern these things.
Now, that was Chairperson Elaine Walker-Brown. Now, the semi-final was pushed back for 2 weeks as 8 of the Fraser's Whip players were involved in the Reggae Girls Under-20 squad at the U20 Championships. The winner of the semi-final will meet Cavalier in the championship game.